Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a associate with IDD. So in today's video I'm going to talk about job estimate sample. So job estimate sample in law is a document that provides an approximate assessment of the cost, time and resource required to perform a specific legal service or a project. It is commonly used by legal professionals to communicate the anticipated scope and financial implications of the services to the clients. The job estimate sample includes the name, contract information and the relevant details of both the client as well as the law firm providing the estimate. This ensures clarity and identification of the parties involved. The estimate provides a detailed description of the legal services to be performed in it. It outlines the nature of the work such as the legal advice, document drafting, litigation representation, research or any other specific services required for the project. The estimate outlines the scope of work which includes specific tasks or milestones that will be addressed during the legal project. It helps the client understand that what will be covered by the estimated cost and sets expectations for deliverables. The estimate specifies the anticipated time frame for contemplating or completing the project or the individual task involved. It may include deadlines for the key milestones or the overall completion of the legal service. So now talking about the cost breakdown, the estimate provides the breakdown for the anticipated cost associated with the legal services. This includes a detailed list of the services for corresponding fee or hourly rates. It also may mention any additional expenses such as court filing rules or travel costs. So now I'm just going to wind up this video. So if you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can just ping in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much and have a nice day.